Hello everyone, let's solve problem B of LeetCode B weekly contest 63. Let's first understand the problem statement. In problem statement, we are given a string colors having characters as A or B only. Now, now Alice and Bob are playing a game in which in which in which Alice can remove a if both of the neighbors of A are A only, and Bob can remove a character B if both of the neighbors of B are B only. Let's see example. In example 1, we are having A, A, B, A, B, B. Here, here first Alice will remove this A, then chance of Bob comes. Now Bob cannot remove any of the B because none of the B is having both of its neighbor as B. So Alice won. So we will return true here. Now in example 2. In example 2, we are having A. Here Alice cannot do any of the move because none of the A is having both of its neighbor as A. So we will return false because Alice cannot make a move and he lose. Now let's see example third. A, B, B, B. How many B are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 B are there. Okay. First turn is of Alice. Alice will remove this A. Now comes the turn of B. B will remove this B. Then comes the turn of Alice. But Alice don't have don't have any such A which is having both of its neighbor elements as A. So Alice cannot make a move. So Alice loses. We have to return false. Now let's see how we will be solving it. The one thing we notice is like if we are given some sequence and it is having some consecutive number of A's. And then the sequence continues. Now let's say there is turn of Alice. Then Alice can remove this A. Then in the next chance of Alice can remove this A. He can do like this until the consecutive number of A's become less than 3. Alice can Alice can always remove A from that sequence. Now, what we also notice that the sequence here and sequence here can never get connected. Here obviously it is B because we have taken consecutive number of A's, and here is also B. These both B will never be going to get connected because we can only remove A until they are greater than or equal to 3. So these both B will never get connected. So we are sure that number of A's we can remove will always be from consecutive number of A's. All the consecutive number of A's we are having, we can only remove A from that subarray only, and B also we can remove from the subarray which is having all of the B's which are consecutive. So we will simply count the number of A's which we can remove and the number of B's we can remove. The number of A's we can remove should be greater than number of B's for the win of Alice. Let's see the code part now. We have taken A is the number of A's which Alice can remove, and B is number of B's which Bob can remove. A must be greater than B for bin of Alice. Let's see the code now. We are just iterating over the string. We have found the character. We have found the ith character. Now we are going till we find a different character. As soon as we find a different character, the while loop will stop, and then we will subtract, 1 from j to get to range I to j, having all characters same. Now if character is a, we will add max how many a's we can remove. Like if we are having a a a a a, then we can remove this a, this a, this a. So we can at max remove the length of, this is the length of range from I to j minus 2, because we cannot remove last two elements. If the number of elements are greater than or equal to 3, then only we can remove. So we will minus 2. That's it. We are counting number of max a we can remove and number of max b's we can remove. After that we are changing I to j so that we can again continue to it. It is O(n) complexity only because we are going to each element only one time. So that's it. Thanks for watching.